Thank you for tuning in to Startup Builder. I'm Mark Weinberg. Startup Builder is an online video blog about startup businesses and small businesses as well. Today I'm going to be talking about Business Plan Financial Simplified. The other video I discussed was Business Plan Writing Simplified. So today here with the Business Plan Financial Simplified, we're only focused on the financial side here. And the first thing you might want to do here is go to a website called bizminer.com. The great thing about bizminer.com is it has a lot of financial information that it collects from different sources, and it gives you here also a pretty cool profit and loss statement and sometimes even a balance sheet as to what certain businesses can do. It has a variety of different industries, different types of businesses here, so I highly recommend that you go to bizminer.com to get this. What I love about it the best here is the breakdown of expenses. It gives you here rent, taxes, salary, advertising, insurance, etc., etc. So certain things you might not have thought about, you could find out here on bizminer.com. The second thing you're going to do here is you're going to do what's called a profit and loss statement, or a P&L. The profit being how much sales you have done. You can guesstimate it through bizminer.com. The loss is basically the expenses that you're going to be incurring. The great why I do a profit and loss statement first is because I like to figure out all of my expenses, and this includes the fixed expenses and also the variable expenses. Fixed expenses are basically, they stay the same month through month. Variable, they might change at different times there. So like I said, you're going to put together a profit and loss statement, and you can use the data from bizminer.com. The second thing you're going to do here, you're going to do a balance sheet. Balance sheet's pretty easy. It's basically your assets minus liabilities, or assets minus expenses. So you figure out your assets, and you can also determine the expenses from your profit and loss statement that you did just previously. And after that, once you do the balance sheet there, you're going to do what's called a break-even analysis. Break-even is just sales minus cost. And there are certain computer programs out there on the internet. For example, you go to dinkytown.net and you can pull up the break-even analysis, and you could basically put in the numbers and it'll show you a nice graph. And it'll tell you where and when you will start to break even. Basically meaning when your business is going to be profitable and no longer incur major expenses. Okay. Basically, if you stick to these four things here, the bizminer.com report, the profit and loss statement, the balance sheet, and the break-even analysis, you should be good to go with your business plan financials there. I like to keep it simple, and the best way to do that there is simplified business plan finance, because if it gets more complicated, then you're going to lose interest in it. So I'm Mark Weinberg here with Startup Builder. Catch you next time.